Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to give you a brief explanation about the activity gauge visual by PowerBeach. So this visual is used to get the insights like the bar chart. We can analyze the actual value as per category. Otherwise, we can analyze the actual versus target value as well in a circular structure. Okay, so let's start. So for using this visual, you just need to get it from the app source, and then you just need to drag it in. You just need to drag it on the canvas, and then you just need to add the required field in the category in and in the measure and also in the target field. Okay, tooltip is used to show the remaining, like if we want to show the extra information by hovering over, we can use that as well. So we can add any column in the tooltip, then we can sort it according to the sort field that we used here. And also we have this show condition, so this we can see further in the video. So by dragging these things we will get the start here. For using the advanced settings, we just need to click on this gear icon, and then we able to see the all the settings. So first option is the gauge option. So here you will get different gauge styles, so you can add any of them like this. Otherwise you can create your own custom, like any angle you can take from these start and end angles. So you will be able to customize these. We just need to add the 50 to render this in the center. So after that we will get like this. Then we have these options to like use the sharp corners or the rounded corners. That's as per our choice or requirement, we can use that. Then we have this gauge axis settings, so we can add the number of ticks whatever we want till the 10, and we can format that as well. Then we have the settings for the remaining arc, so we can disable this thickness as arc, and we can add the thickness as per our choice. So I have added the 3 and I'm getting this as a 3. Then I have then we have this same color as arc setting, so we can change this color as well if we want. So we can add any color from this color picker, like this, to give our visual very good look. Then we have this very nice feature here, the icons inside the arc, so we can use the single arc on all the categories in the start like this. Otherwise we can use the different icons as well for all the categories. So for that we just need to click here on the category, then we just need to take any icons from here as per our choice, and in this way we can add these icons as well. We can set the position as well, like at arc starting or at arc ending. Okay, so in this way we will get these icons. Okay, then we have this target settings. So here we will get these four types of targets: the sum of all values, max of all values, by field, and custom. The sum of all values, it considers the target as the summation of all these values. Okay, all of the categories present in the visual. Then this max is considering the maximum, as like whatever we have the maximum numbers category, so that considered as a target, and then all the arcs will render accordingly. Then we have the by field, so we can add this by field from the that, like what we have added in the target section, we will get that here. And in this way we can add the target field as well. And after that we can get the option, we will have the this option to add the custom target as well. So if we have the like maximum target rating is 10, so we can add the 10. Otherwise we can add 6, so as per 6 what customer gives which rating, so we can analyze that as well. Then we have this data colors option, so here we will get 7 different palettes and we can use any of them. If we want to use the single color we can use, and if we want to highlight any lesser rating or any maximum rating, so we can add the conditional formatting from this option as well. So we have these different settings for the colors. We can use the gradient one, we can add the middle color as well, and then we have these very nice themes, the sequential, diverging, and the qualitative. So you can select any one of them and you can color your visual as per your choice or requirement. Okay, then we will get this fill pattern option. So by enabling this option you will get this inbuilt pattern. Otherwise you can add any of the, you can upload the any external image and you can apply this setting. You will get that here on the arcs. Okay, in this way you can apply the fill pattern as per your requirement. Then we will get this labels option. So here we have this data labels and leaf label. When we enable the leaf label we will get this information on the leaf as well. If we don't want to see whole like the inner and outer labels, then we can just enable this best fit option. So it will render the labels as per the place we have in the visual. Okay, then we have this ranking option. We can add the top n or bottom n ranking and with others. So what others does is it will rank all the other categories in one and show the others the sum of the value for others. Like here we are getting these others, so we have this top 3 with the others, so other include all other categories. Okay, then we can apply the bottom n as well. Then we can add the sorting by added fields. We can add the sorting as per customer name or the rating or the target value, or we can add this as per the tooltip value as well. Okay, so as per our choice we can add. Then we can have this center circle things. So here we will get these different 4 types of settings to add the text in a center circle. We can add like total rating, we can add like a maximum rating. So we can give this formatting as well. From here we can bold, italic or underline it. We can add the text size and color as well. So after that we just need to save the setting. Then for adding the measure we can just click here, we can add this rating, and then we can just add the aggregation as well. From here we can add any formatting as per your choice, you can add. Then we will get this icon option. We can add any icon as well, and if you want to add any image related to your project, so you can add that in a center circle. So you can just increase the size as well from here. Then save, then you can just save it and you will get it on the center circle. Okay, so you can customize it as per your requirement. Then you will get this mouse over text option. So by enabling this, by like mouse over on the any categories, you will able to see the information about that particular category. Okay, so by if you hover over on this, so you will be able to see the what customer is giving what rating and for what item name. Okay, in this way. Then we will get this conditional formatting option. So for adding the conditional formatting, you can just add any rule name. If we have to check like the rating above 3, if we want to see the rating above 3, then you can, we can add the measure or category conditional formatting. So by selecting any column from here, you can just add the greater than condition. You can add the number here and you can just color it as per your requirement. You will be able to see this in different colors so that you can understand the maximum rating and get the quick insights from the visual. Okay, you can add the condition based on the category as well. So you will get, if you want to highlight any customer, so you can just add, you can add these conditions is not begins with or does not begins with. So you just need to select any of them from here. And if you want to highlight the customer starts, the name starts from the J and the green color, you can highlight like this. Okay, then we will get this show condition option. So this is also very important. If you are having the data there, like the customer don't want to see that particular person's data and they don't want to allow that to appear in the visual, then you can add this show condition option. So for this you just need to create the measure like this. If food rating customer name is this, then 0 or 1, so it will be only working on the 0 and 1 condition. Then you just need to add this column here in this show condition. After adding this, you will get this enabled by applying. You can just create one slicer by adding this column here as well. So when you are clicking on 0, you will, like, for that particular customer, you will be not able to show this chart, and by clicking on 1, you will be getting all these categories other than that one. Okay, so this is the show bucket condition. So all the number formatting, if you want to do any number formatting, you can do it from here. You will get these options to add any customization on your numbers. You can just hide the decimal places as well. Then you can add the legend positions where you want top center, like this. You can just customize the title as per your need. So in this way, you can create this activity gauge. So it is very powerful visual by PowerVis. So you can use it to analyze the actual versus target value. So it's very important in the real time project. So don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can receive my upcoming videos notification, and you will be able to see more custom visuals, and you can practice it and you can use it in your business projects. So thanks for watching this video.